Yes, guys, on today's video, I'm going to be looking at how to remove the background in Canva. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you my screen here. You can see that I really love Canva. You know, from one of my YouTube channels, you can see you've got the banner, which is there at the top, and you can see some of my thumbnails for my teacher's YouTube channel. And I really love it. I mean, I use it for everything from my thumbnails that we do to banner to Instagram posts to everything really. Honestly, Canva is amazing. You know, Canva is amazing. Let's have a look at the top. Which one do I have open? Okay, yeah, so let's go to Canva. Now without further ado, let's go ahead with the video. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to my projects, my designs, very quickly just check out something for you so I can just show you exactly how to do it. I'll go to home actually. It's quite simple. And let's go to design. Let's go to I'll just do a quick design to create. What do I want to do? So I don't know, let's just say I'm looking at an Instagram post, for example. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to get rid of that background. So what it does is obviously Canva gives me Instagram post size, which you can see here. And then what it'll do is you've got all these different things in the side, the sections where you've got elements, you've got text, you've got images. Now I'm just going to very quickly choose an image so that I can remove the background for you, just to show you exactly how it works. So let's say I'm going to click on this image, which is like an AI robot. So I'm going to click on that, and I've just brought it on my screen, as you can see. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Edit and then click Background Remover, which you can see here. And all you need to do is just click it. And then what you see is it's going to start working on screen. Now, there you go. That is it. Literally, that is it. And you can see that it's just got rid of the background. If I want to just enlarge it, you can see it's just there on my post, however big I want it. Okay, there you go. Now, I'll tell you one thing about it. It's quite simple to remove backgrounds that have one tone, usually one color. Now, what I mean by that is, so if I just say, I don't know, plant. What's good about Canva is they've just got so many images. So if I just go down and I look at photos, right? If I just look at the photos, let me just get rid of this AI robot for a second. And then if I just choose this plant pot here, right, plant pot again, click edit image, click background remover, right? So it should do the same sort of thing, where it gets rid of the background quite easily, quite quickly. That's all it is really. And I'm going to show you quickly something else once that happens. It's taking a bit of time, this one. Once you're happy with it, you just click apply and then that's it, it's done, right? Okay, let me just delete that. Now, if I go to, let me just have a look at another image. See if they do that. I'm going to go to this one. Now there's a few different colors and tones here, so I want to see if it's able to get rid of this background also. So just click background removing again. Let's see if that works. It should do, although it might leave something, as in like it might leave little bits, because if you've got one tone, one color, it's usually fine. It's usually fine anyway. However, sometimes it might pick up something else if you've got different colors. And I can see this background's got a few things going on. And you can see that it's slightly taking a little bit of time. However, no, actually, this is excellent. This is excellent. Now let's try this one. Let's just try this because that's a tricky one. Let's see if it knows what it's going to do with that one. Let me just go to edit, remove background. Let me click remove background. So like I said, on simple, generally, simple white background or other simple color backgrounds, it is quite easy to take off the background, right? Now, if I show you this one, you can see that it hasn't quite done it, right? Let me just enlarge this. Now it's got the hand, which is good, but you can see that the plant is almost like it's disappeared a bit, okay? And that is because the background was quite tricky and it wasn't that clear, not the easiest. See, you can see this is what it would be. Um, that's what it did, right? It did it in a different way, so it didn't actually quite remove the background. Now, the reason why I want to show you this is because I just want to explain that the best way to remove a background is to make sure that you've got a plain back color. That's the best way. So if you're going to get images that you want to remove backgrounds for, especially in Canva, and that quick, then you do that. There is, however, there is another way also, as in not another way, but let's say I've clicked background remover and it's going to try and remove the background again. Now let's say I wanted to rub out a part of something, right? There's something which is called, you can erase it using a brush. So if I click erase there, minus is to get rid of. There's something which you can do to restore. So if I click the plus and then you can see that what I'm doing is I'm restoring the plant part. See? Because what you can do with your brush is you can bring back restore part of the image that you want, and then you can go to erase to rub out again. So you can see if I wanted to go back and manually, if you like, erase a part of an image, I can do that. Okay? Obviously it's going to be very tricky, and I wouldn't suggest you should do that because I think it's very hard to get it right, very hard to get it right. But let's say I wanted to keep part of the plant and I just wanted to remove it. It's very difficult to do. It's really hard. So I wouldn't suggest you do that. I think my suggestion would be, like I said before, is get a design that's generally, let me just get rid of this one, get rid of that. Generally get a background that's quite simple. So you got this simple, these colors, you got the kind of this color, grayish, whitish, quite easy to get rid of, and it's quite simple to get rid of. But look, I mean, look, in principle, it's amazing. It just gets rid of it really quickly. It's like literally in a matter of seconds. And you know, most things are, look, I mean, if I just go to people, and what's really nice about Canva, they've got so many stock images. So let me just get rid of that, get rid of that. And if I just go to photos, because that's what I want, you know, just get rid of, put that in. That's already taken care of anyway. Let me just go to that and click edit at the top, and then just go to background removal. I mean, look, it's amazing because it is really quick, and it just doesn't need any time hardly. So let's have a look at this one. I want to obviously try and keep the people, and I want to get rid of the background, let's say. Like I said, it's just a few seconds, doesn't really take long, right? And there you go. Okay, there you go. That's it. It's stunning. It's really amazing. I mean, you know, if you think about it, it's amazing. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video on how to remove background in Canva. Hope it was straightforward for you guys. And guys, remember to stay tuned in for the next one. The other thing I was going to say is, if you do want a free trial of Canva, if you hit the link in my description, you can get my link to the free trial for Canva, just to try it out. I think, like I said, I think it's amazing. But have a go, see what it's like. I like it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.